and happy 12th birthday, John Kenneth. Sir, may idea ka na po ba kung kanino galing yung surprise? May idea ka na? Alam mo na kung kanino galing yung surprise? Yan, mukhang may idea na si Sir. Sir, dito po kayo. Bukod po dyan, may message din po na pinadala para sa iyo. Babasahin ko na naman. Happy 12th birthday, anak. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo kahit na nasa malayo ako. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ng kuya mo. Palagi mong tatandaan yan at mag-aral kang mabuti para matupad mo ang mga pangarap mo. Huwag kang pasaway kay nanay at tatay. Once again, happy birthday ulit anak. I love you. Ayan sir, may gusto pa rin po bang sabihin kay ma'am? Salamat mama. Ayan, naiiyak si sir. Yung parents po, sir, kayo po, yung kuya, baka may gusto rin pong sabihin kay Sir Kenneth po. Ayan, mukhang nagtatago sila, nahihiya din. Pwede po mong lumapit na lang tayo lahat dito, then kantahan po natin si Sir Kenneth ng happy birthday para po naman sumaya siya. Sabay-sabay po tayo, mabilis naman po. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, kuya. Wish ka muna po before blow the candle. Ayan, palapan natin si Kuya Kenneth. And once again, happy 12th birthday. And happy new year po kamo na lang kanta. Sir, picture taking na lang po.
If I woke up without you, I don't know what I would do. Thought I could be single forever till I met you. Usually don't be falling fast. You got a way of keeping me coming back to back. I just found out the only reason that you loving me was to get back at your ex-lover. But before you leave, usually I would never